Hi everyone! Today I propose you to cook French onion soup. First of all, you need to cut up the onions. Cut some of the cheese into pieces, grate the rest. Heat olive oil and butter in a saucepan. Put the onions there. After a couple minutes, add a little sugar. Simmer over medium heat until the onions become soft and golden. Add fresh thyme and laurel leaf. Then add the flour and mix. When the onions become golden brown, pour in the apple juice. Slowly add the broth. Put pepper, salt, cover with a lid and cook over low heat for about 40 minutes. At this time, splash bread slices with a little olive oil. Dry on medium heat on both sides. Pour the soup into heat-proof plates. Place the bread on top and cheese slices on it. Cover with grated cheese and bake in the oven for 5 minutes, better in grill mode. Done! Enjoy your meal!